Today, I will introduce the installation steps for a water tank flange. The water tank flange typically consists of 4 components: 1 bolts, 2 flange body, 3 gasket, 4 flange ring. First, we need to measure 2 dimensions: the outer diameter of the water outlet and the outer diameter of the bolts, which are 75 millimeters and 10 millimeters respectively. Next, we use a carton as a simulated water tank, marking the positions for the water outlet and the 5 bolt holes using a ring-shaped seal pad, and then use professional punching equipment to punch holes. After completing the punching, we can start installing the flange. First, place the gasket on the flange body, then pass the bolts through the bolt holes from the inside of the water tank. Next, place the flange ring on the bolts, and then install the bolts in sequence. After completing these steps, the installation of the water tank flange is complete. Just use PVC glue to connect the water pipe to the flange. With this, the entire water tank flange can start working.